Imagine waking up and the sky above you is no longer blue, but blood red. No, this is not a movie. This is real. Right now, in Greece, people are witnessing something that looks straight out of an apocalypse. This shocking transformation happened on the Greek island of Crete, a place known for its clear blue skies and beautiful tourist views. But suddenly, everything changed. The sky turned red and orange, visibility dropped, and the entire atmosphere started to feel strange and heavy. And it wasn't just Crete. Nearby islands like Santorini and even parts of mainland Greece began experiencing the same eerie sky. For many people, it felt like the world had suddenly become unrecognizable. People were confused and honestly a little scared. Social media quickly filled with videos showing the red sky, with captions asking, "Is this the end of the world? But what's really happening here? Is this something dangerous, or just a natural phenomenon that looks more dramatic than it actually is?" To understand this, we need to look far beyond Greece, thousands of kilometers away, into the Sahara Desert in North Africa. Strong winds lifted massive amounts of fine dust particles from the desert and carried them across the Mediterranean Sea, all the way into southern Europe. Now, here's the interesting part. When sunlight passes through these tiny dust particles, it doesn't behave the same way as it normally does. Instead of scattering blue light across the sky, the dust changes the way light spreads, allowing red and orange tones to dominate. That's why the sky suddenly looks so intense, almost unreal, like something from another planet. But this situation didn't happen in isolation. At the same time, a powerful weather system known as Storm Erminio was moving through the region. This storm brought strong winds and heavy rainfall, which made everything even more chaotic. In some areas, the rain mixed with the dust in the air, creating muddy rain that left streaks on buildings, cars, and streets. Imagine rain that doesn't clean, but actually makes everything dirtier. Flooding was also reported in parts of Greece, especially around Athens. Emergency teams had to respond quickly as water levels rose in certain areas. The situation became serious enough to disrupt normal life. And this wasn't just about how the sky looked. It started affecting daily routines as well. Travel was disrupted, with ferry routes and flights facing delays and difficulties due to low visibility and unstable weather conditions. For tourists and locals alike, this created a lot of inconvenience, especially since this period is usually a busy travel season. Even stepping outside became uncomfortable. The air felt heavier, visibility was reduced, and people could actually feel a difference in the atmosphere. There was also a growing concern about health. These fine dust particles can enter the air we breathe, and for people with respiratory issues, this can become a real problem. Events like this are not completely rare. Saharan dust regularly travels across regions and sometimes even reaches Europe. But what made the situation stand out was the intensity of the dust combined with a strong weather system happening at the same time. That combination created this dramatic, almost apocalyptic appearance that captured attention all over the world. So, what looked like a scene from the end of the world was actually a powerful example of how interconnected our planet is. A desert thousands of kilometers away can influence the sky in another country within days. And it reminds us of something important. Nature can be both beautiful and unpredictable at the same time. But now the real question is, if something like this can happen so suddenly, what else could we see in the future? And if you woke up one day and saw a red sky like this above you, would you be amazed or afraid? Let me know in the